Hello guys, in the previous video we have discussed about the how aptitude is used and where aptitude is important and the subjects in the aptitude, and we have discussed regarding the percentage importance. In this video we are going to learn about the percentage details and one percentage shortcut table and some rules. There are total 18 rules. We will be going to learn 5 rules and one percentage table and some basic tricks how to convert a number into a percentage. Like that, some basic examples will going to be discussed. So let's go into the topics. Now, in the percentage, the main thing we need to know is the title definition. Here, the percentage is divided into two types. One is per and set. And this age remove. If you take this one here, percent means per 100. We are calculating the age in every value per 100 in the name of symbol. The percentage symbol is this one, modulus symbol, which we will be going to execute in the programming languages as a modulus symbol. Here this percentage symbol is per 100 is used. Suppose let us take an example of converting a fraction into a decimal or converting a fraction into a percentage. It will be very basic example. For this, I am going to take the value of 3 by 5. I want to convert this 3 by 5 into a percentage value. So, I have to multiply with 100. So, as you know the calculations, 5 1 is 520, 2 3 is equals to 60. At the end of it, we have to keep the percentage symbol. So, here the fraction to percentage value is 3 by 5 equals to 60 percentage. This is the basic example of converting a fraction into a percentage form. Now let's convert a reverse manner, percentage to fraction form. How we can convert? Let us take this example only. With the help of this example, we can convert this percentage into a fraction form. Here let us they have given 60%. We have to convert this into a fraction form, means to this format. The output should be 3 by 5. Like a reverse approach, 60 by 100. Okay. Here this symbol represents 1 by 100. We are dividing the 1 by 100 into this, means if you take in much simpler manner, 60 into 1 by 100. This is a correct form of representing the percentage into a expanded form. Cancellation of 0 and 0. It is multiplied by the 2 table, 2 3 is 6 and 2 5 is 10. The output is 3 by 5. Here you have seen the percent converting fraction to decimal, converting fraction to percentage. In this example, we have learned conversion of percentage to the fraction. This is the basic examples. Each and every one have to be understood and embed this short explanation in your minds. Okay, let's have a quick topic revision. Okay, now we are going to learn the percentage of a given number. If let us take an example of, if suppose an x percentage of a given number, yeah. How could you find this example? Just take this as a number and this one as a number, multiply it and you will get an answer. Means x percentage, how we can write x percentage here of means multiplication of n. X percentage, suppose they have given x as 20 and n as 2. Okay, so here comes an example of x into 20 percentage of 2 means 20 by 100 into 2. Cancel all the terms. Here we have got a fraction form. This is not the right answer for this example. Okay, so divide the 5 again with the 2, 0.4. So 20 percentage of 2 is 0.4. This is the answer of the given example. X percentage of the given number is. It is generally written as in the form of this format. This is one formula which will be helpful for you in questions and problem solving. Okay, now we are going to be discuss the percentage table, which is the main thing and a short time saving. Now let me pause it, right? After writing all the examples, I will show it. This is the percentage table which you have to be by heart or learn by logic. Here there is my own logic, such as up to here you all can remember. 2 by 3 means 2 into 3 is 6, and from here onwards 1 by 7%, and 12 means 1 by 8, 1 by 9 means 1 by 9%, 10% means 1 by 10. Here I have created my own logic by learning these fractions to their percentage formats in the examination point of view, or any examinations which you will be writing or solving any problem. It will be very helpful for you so that it can save time. If in the question they gave as 57 1 by 7%, if you start converting it into 57 1 by 7%, if you start converting this the percentage format into the fraction, it may take long time. Suppose take 57 1 by 7. You have to convert this into a proper fraction and then multiply with 1 by 100. It may take long time. So that if you learn this percentage table, so that easily if you, whenever you see a question 57 1 by 7%, you can directly write into the 4 by 7 fraction, 4 by 7% in an easy manner. So that I request you to note these all values so that it will be helpful for in a problem solving time.
स्टार्ट करा लेंगे हाँ
Now we're going to learn some few percentage rules and some tricks. After that, we'll wind up this session and continue in the next video. Okay. Here the some percentage rules are: if two values respectively x percentage and y percent more than the third value, the first value is 100 plus x by 100 plus y into 100% of the second value. Let us explain in on board. If two values, let us take an example of x percentage and y percentage, is the two values are given in a percentage format, and suppose take an example of another number as c. C is a number. If you want to find the percentage value of each other, means you have to take 100 plus x by 100 plus y. It has to be in a bracket format and multiply the 100 percentage. As this x and y values are in percentage, so I have represented it in a percentage manner, and the value of a second means they will give of the three values a, b and c. The second value is b, and here you can write the b value. If the second value is, if you want to find the value of the first one, means you can write an example of by interchanging these two terms. Similarly, 100 plus y by 100 plus x into 100 percentage into a. These are the formulas when if the two values are respectively x percentage and y percentage more than the third value, means respectively to the third value, the first value is written in the format of the 100 plus x by 100 plus y into 100 percentage point b of means multiplication of the second value, means the whatever the second value here, it is represented as. If you want to find the first value, the same formula is used, but the changing of the x and y terms. Okay. This is the first rule and the simple trick, and the second trick is if the values are respectively x percentage and y percentage less than the third value. If the percentage value is less than, so the same percentage values x percentage and y percentage and comparison between the three values. If these two value, if the c value is less than these two values, so the same formula is used: 100 minus x by 100 minus y into 100 percentage of the second value. Means if you want to find the first value with the help of the second value, the same repeats again. This is the formula. This minus symbol is used when the two terms is comparatively greater than the third value. This formula is used. If the two for another term is, if the c is greater than the two terms a and b, then we are going to use plus symbol here. The formula remains the same, but this sign symbol changes. The third one is if the price of a commodity increases by x percentage, the consumption so as not to increase the expenditure is given by. Here, let us take an example of a product A, and the commodity increases, means the expenditure increases than the consumption. So this formula is used. Here I have taken as A by. If you have any doubts, I have left the link in the description of a Telegram channel. You can message me there, or you can directly ask me in the comment section, so that I can reply within 1 hour or 2 hours in a time delay. 100 plus A into 100 percentage. This is the formula when the expenditure is more and the usage of consumption is less. Similarly, in a reverse manner, if the consumption is more and the expenditure is less, you have to just interchange the value as a minus. These are the 4 terms. 4 we have discussed the rules, and the last one is 51. With this completion, I am going to stop the way with this session, and I will continue in the next one. The fifth rule is, if A is X percentage of C and B is Y percentage of B. Let me write here. If A is X percentage of B and B is Y percentage of C, then A would be, means we have to find the percentage of A, means find A. In this condition, there is a simple formula to find the value of A is X by Y into 100 percentage X by Y into 100 of B. This is the formula we are going to use. Let me quickly overview the today's formulas and some little tricks. These are the 5 formulas we have discussed. The first formula is, if two values or percentage values is given and the third value is greater than the preceding the two values, then we are going to use this formula. And the second formula is, if the 3 values are given in a question and comparatively the 2 values are greater than the third value, we will be using this to solve the problems. And if the cost of expenditure is more and the consumption is less, to find the profit and loss, this formula is helpful. And the reverse, if the expenditure is less and the consumption is more, to gain the profits, the fourth one is required. And the percentage, A percentage of B and B percentage of C, like this simply tricky questions, for this X by Y into 100 percentage of B formula is used. So I hope you will be learning some new topics in the upcoming videos, and I will solve after the completion of the complete rules and tricks which we will be going to use, and solve approximation from the basic level to the advanced level of the aptitude programming languages. So I hope hope you all have watched and learned some information about this. Thank you.